Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your Capital Health account on your website. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to Capital Health Login. You can do this by typing Capital Health Login. Now click on Sign in Capital Health. After that, you will be directed to Sign in page of Capital Health. If you already have an account, enter your username or email address and your password, then click on Sign in. If you do not have an account, click on Create Account. Capital Health login page also facilitates you to retrieve your password in case you have forgotten it. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log in to Capital Health. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.